If you're curious about changing your username on Reddit, first of all, you need to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Reddit application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account with the correct credentials. Tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and then go to Profile, click on Edit, and here you will see the option of adding the image, changing your display name, your bio section, and even adding social links. But there you won't find any option to change your username. And if you go back and try to access the settings of Reddit, go to account settings. There you will see the option of switching account, updating your email address, changing your password, your gender, your connected accounts, and many more settings. But there you won't again find any username settings on the app. So unfortunately, Reddit does not allow you to change your username after it has been created. It is permanent. So here are two different alternatives that you can consider. First, you can create a new account. The easiest option is to create a new account with the username you like. So you can manually transfer your post or comments, but you will lose your previous account's post, history, and karma. For that, you can go ahead and delete this account by going to settings and going to account settings, scroll all the way down and go to delete account. After this account has been deleted, create a new account with the username you like. And if you do not want to open a new account, you can go ahead and change your profile name or display name to something different than your username. So visit your profile for that, click on edit, and input a new cool display name that you'd like to set. And then update the display name that others will see. This change will not alter your username but can provide a different identity on Reddit. So this was all about it. You found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe.